Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both machines. Install the Spacedesk driver on your Windows host and confirm the client device is on the same network. Once done, launch the Spacedesk server app on the host. Make sure the service status shows running. If Windows asks for network permissions, allow them so discovery works. Now open Spacedesk Viewer on your tablet or phone and keep both devices awake. This immediate setup step unlocks device discovery and prevents common connection delays. Next, discover and connect. In the Spacedesk Viewer tap scan to locate the running host, you'll see a name and IP address. Choose the IP for a stable link, then press connect. While the session negotiates, adjust resolution and frame rate. Lower values reduce lag on slower networks. If prompted, accept the encryption or certificate notice to proceed. Once the virtual display appears, drag Windows or set display mode in Windows display settings. These steps handle the core negotiation and rendering setup. To finish, fine-tune. Set scaling and orientation in Windows display settings and pin the Spacedesk viewer for quick reconnections. For optimal performance, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This reduces latency and prevents frame drops. If the client fails to connect, restart Spacedesk server on the host and verify the host IP hasn't changed. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable third-party firewalls or VPNs. These commonly block discovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.